gadgets resting, all outdated and defeated. The hands keep spinning past steel and glass. Batteries extinct, this age has come to pass.
We don't wind up, we don't charge up anymore. Silent timekeepers from the old time store. Revolutionize the rhythm of our days. No more swap.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to finally get rid of batteries in your watches and switch to lithium-ion batteries. So let's get started. For this we will need the following components: 3 resistors of 3K, a BSC 547 transistor, a capacitor of 100 UF, and a lithium-ion battery, and preferably a battery charge controller. Any will do. The smaller, the better. So if you have a battery, try to find one with a higher current rating, as the higher the current, the longer the charge lasts. For example, a 1A battery lasts for about 6 months until the next charge. I think this time is quite enough, especially if you charge the battery with a current of 1A in just 1 hour, using a 1A charger. However, it is important to remember that there are power-hungry watch mechanisms. For them, it may be necessary to install a more powerful battery. Well, that's it. In this particular case, we save on batteries and will never need them again. And what is most important here is that we do not pollute our planet and the environment. Alright, so let's go.
Brave. Tick-tock on the wrist, no longer needed. Gadgets resting, all outdated and defeated. The hands keep spinning past steel and glass. Batteries extinct, this age has come to pass.
We don't wind up, we don't charge up anymore. Silent timekeepers from the old time store. Revolutionize the rhythm of our days. No more swapping cells in hectic ways.
Watches on my wrist, they never miss a beat. Running long and strong, no power to deplete. Time keeps flowing in this new age play. Batteries gone, they're relics of yesterday. Chronometers flowing through the minutes. No more clicks, just endless spinning. Wristbands glowing with the timeless flare. Energy from thin air, now that's rest to bay.
We don't wind up, we don't charge up anymore. Silent timekeepers from the old time store. Revolutionize the rhythm of our days. No more swapping cells in hectic ways.
Watches on my wrist, they never miss a beat. Running long and strong, no power to deplete. Time keeps flowing in this new age play. Batteries gone, they're relics of yesterday. Chronometers flowing through the minutes. No more clicks, just endless spinning.
Let us proceed. That is all. Everything is completely prepared and set. Now, let's take a moment to check everything thoroughly. Here is precisely what we have successfully achieved so far. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be very happy. There will be a lot more interesting content for you ahead. Goodbye.